Hey guys, our dad just came home with this huge, ginormous bag of Hot Wheels cars filled up with about like 50 or more cars. And if this video gets 1,000 likes, we'll open the whole thing. We'll open all the cars in the bag. And we're also going to be unboxing 5 of our brand new cars that we just picked out of the bag. So we'll unbox them. The first car that we'll unbox is Bader's one. Show him that car, babe. What is it? What's it called? It is a Ford Ranger Raptor. That one's cool. Is it 2000? It's 2019. Okay, baby, open it. Stand up. Stand up, babe. Ooh, look at that one. Show him. Show the camera, babe. Right here. Look at that one.
Let's test these wheels.
Yep.
Ooh,
They have good sounding wheels, so that's good.
open.
Okay, our next car
Solar reflex.
is Solar Reflex. It's like a solar panel.
It's
almost.
a glow-in-the-dark car.
It has glow-in-the-dark wheels too. Look at that car. That one's so cool. Test out the wheels. Is that good?
Yeah.
Super good wheels too.
My turn. That sound is good. I'm gonna open my Jaguar.
You're in the video.
Guys, I'm gonna open my Jaguar
Show
car.
them the Jaguar. It's an orange Jaguar.
Let's
These
test
wheels.
out his wheels.
Super good wheels. Oh. My car that I actually picked out was the Dodge Challenger drift car. It's a red Dodge Challenger drift car. This one, it's red with the white stripe at the top too. And let's test out its wheels. Super good wheels.
Now let's
Oh, and our bonus car that we're opening is this Star Wars Darth Vader. Okay. Let's see it. Okay, so look at this Darth Vader. It's one of the coolest cars we've seen.
now.
If you can hear those wheels, those are amazing. This could be our fastest car, guys. Just watch the video of our second tournament to see if he wins the whole thing. And remember, if this video gets 1,000 likes or more, then we'll open the whole entire bag. 50 or more cars. Okay. See you guys. Say bye.
Bye. Bye.
Hey guys, we're gonna do the end of the first round with our brand new cars that you hopefully saw the last video. If you didn't see the last video, then hurry and go watch that video before you see all our brand new ones. We have Solar Reflex in lane 1. We have the Turbo Rooster. We have a Growler. We have someone from a mystery pack, and then Chill Meal. Go. We can go now.
Okay.
The Solar Reflex does not win. Was it the Growler? The Growler
Yeah.
takes the win.
Now.
Oh, it's your truck, correct, Baylor?
Yeah.
Okay, the truck going up against the Tesla Model S, a little white truck, Scorpio, double rocket, and I don't know, I forgot his name. Come on, truck. Come on, truck.
Go.
The truck takes the lead, and it takes it. The truck is
Should I put it in
actually
the bucket?
one of our fastest, yes. He's one of our fastest trucks. Oh, this is my Dodge Challenger Drift. against the tire shop car. We have a police car, a carbide, and we need 2 more. We have I forgot his name, and then we have a night dragon. Okay, let's race. Come on.
Go.
Yes! Yes! I knew he would be fast. Let's go. Oh, hopefully you saw the last video before you see this. Darth Vader. Going up against, looks like 2 pretty much Indy cars. There's looks like a Firebird maybe? 2 more. We have Soccer and this blue one. Okay, let's race. Come on,
Go.
Darth Vader takes the lead and he takes the win. He looks pretty fast, right?
Yeah.
Okay, we have our last brand new one. We have the Jaguar. We have, I forgot his name, but he was one of our closest cars for winning the championship about like 2 years ago. Oh yeah, the twin mill in lane 3. And we also have Spider-Man and the one, and I forgot his name. Come on, Jag.
Go.
We got a bad start. Do the re-race. Re-race it.
I'll do it way better this time.
It's fine.
Try to do it faster. Jaguar really slow last time.
Jaguar got a really bad start. We'll
Jaguar
re-race.
way more.
Hopefully that was just a bad start. Okay, do it good this time.
Go.
You did it good that time. Ah!
And still the same guy.
He wins. Okay, guys, we'll see you in the championship round with our dad is going to be in that video. See you guys.